Troubleshooting AWS Amplify identity pools requires a systematic approach to identify and resolve issues. To begin, understand the concept of identity pools, which are storage containers for user data and authentication information. First, verify that your AWS Amplify configuration is correct, ensuring that the identity pool ID and the authentication provider are properly set up. Check the AWS Management Console to confirm that the identity pool exists and that the authentication provider is configured correctly. Next, review the authentication flow, which typically involves a user signing in, obtaining an authentication token, and then using that token to access AWS resources. Identify the step where the issue occurs, whether it is during sign-in, token retrieval, or resource access. Common issues with AWS Amplify identity pools include incorrect configuration, authentication token expiration, and insufficient permissions. To troubleshoot these issues, check the AWS CloudWatch logs for error messages and use the AWS Amplify CLI to test authentication and authorization. Best practices for troubleshooting AWS Amplify identity pools include monitoring logs regularly, testing authentication and authorization frequently, and implementing retry mechanisms to handle transient errors. Additionally, ensure that your application handles token expiration and refresh correctly, and that your users have the necessary permissions to access AWS resources. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot AWS Amplify identity pools and provide a seamless authentication experience for your users. Remember to stay up to date with the latest AWS Amplify documentation and release notes to ensure you have the most current information and troubleshooting techniques.